Hello guys, I just got these front shocks for $350 for this Pilot. I will change them on both ends. This side here, the shocks are bad. Look what happened to the tire. Is because the shocks are bad and the rotator was bad, the wheel bearing, and the wheel bearing was dragging and the shocks was not stable. Look what happened to those tires. These tires are less than 1 year old, and I did alignment to it when I put them. I'll show you the one in the back, how still brand new and good. Just like if you have a wheel bearing problem, you need to fix it super fast before this happens with your car. It's not all about the alignment. If you have alignment and the wheel bearing is dragging more than the other cars, that's what will happen with the tire. That's crazy, huh? Watch out, guys. If you hear a wheel bearing, change it as soon as you hear it. Usually the wheel bearing do a sound of wowing like that all the time without stop when you drive, and it's a must to change them. This tire, because it's dragging like that, it might explode if I don't change it soon, and that's why I bought a new tire just for this side. I'll show you guys the other side, how it's still good. And for sure the front side is not it don't stay good like the back side. The back side is still perfect, but the wheel bearing, I changed the force, so on the four sides wheel bearing on this car, and as you guys can see, like wheel bearing, no matter how much you fix the alignment, if your wheel bearing are dragging the tires, the car will keep on damaging front tires. Watch out, guys.